The West is crying Jamaica, homes destroyed, children displaced, and communities washed away by Hurricane Melissa's wrath. As the rain settles, the cries for help grow louder, and it's a call we cannot ignore. The western parishes, from St. Elizabeth to Westmoreland, are facing unimaginable devastation. Roads have collapsed, entire districts are cut off, and families are struggling to find food, water, and shelter. Amidst the heartbreak, Dr. Dayton Campbell, General Secretary of the People's National Party, is calling on the nation to come together. He confirmed that Melissa made landfall in Westmoreland, urging the nation not to overlook the region's suffering. He's pleading for immediate assistance, not tomorrow, but now. He says the people of Western Jamaica are suffering silently, with little resources to survive the aftermath. These are Jamaicans just like us, Dr. Campbell said, and they need us to show up in unity, in love, and in action. And as hope flickers in the darkness, help has started to arrive. International star Shaggy and renowned superstar Sean Paul partner with Food for the Poor to help with Hurricane Melissa relief effort, touches hearts when they brought aid directly to the people of St. Elizabeth, distributing food, water, and essential supplies to those most in need. Their generosity reminds us that no matter how far we go in life, we must never forget where we come from. We can't fix it all in one day, Shaggy said, but if every Jamaican lift a hand, we can lift a nation. And answering that same call, Andre Stevens and the PDTV family have launched the Save the West Relief Drive, a powerful movement to bring real help to real people. They are collecting non-perishable food items, sanitary products, pads, wipes, Pampers, toilet paper, water and juices, cleaning supplies. If you cannot donate items, cash contributions are also welcomed, and arrangements can be made through PDTV News Jamaica. For more information, you can reach out via WhatsApp at 876-865-4587 or 8764-26228. So as Western Jamaica struggles to rebuild, remember, the same storm that breaks us also shows us who we are. From Dr. Dayton Campbell's cry for help to Shaggy's hand of hope and PDTV's boots on the ground, Jamaica's heart is still beating strong. Let's rise together, share together, and save the West together. This is Mishy Deck's commentary, where every voice matters, every hand helps, and every act of kindness rebuilds a nation.